Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. On this channel, we learn the Hadith Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. We will learn the successful way of life. Today, I shall talk about our faith. An Abi Huraira radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, an Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Kala, Wallazi nafsi biyadihi La yawmin ahadakum hatta akuna ahabba alayhi min waladihi wa walad. Narrated Abu Huraira, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, by him in whose hands my life, none of you will have faith till he love me more than his parents and his children. Hadasni Abdullah an Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam Kala Sababul Muslim Fasukun wa Qataluhu Kufar. Narrated Abdullah radhiyallahu anhu, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, abusing a Muslim is an evil doing and killing him is disbelief. An Abi Mas'ud an Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam Kala إذا أنفق الرجل على أهله يحتسبها فهو له صدقة. Narrated Abu Mas'ud radhiyallahu anhu, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if a man spend on his family sincerely for Allah's sake, it is alms. Thank you for seeing this video. Allah Hafiz.